I think one of the most powerful pointings, and it is instant, is recognizing that we are resting as effortless beings. And I know David points to this a lot. So I thought I would jump on and do a practice that really helped me to see clearly who and what I am. And I use the word I because through the deep integration, the I that was the sufferer has been swallowed up by the true I, the I consciousness am. But for this illustration, I totally agree with David that to use I can keep us trapped or appear to keep us trapped from seeing what we are. So in this moment, could you just be and be? And could you notice breathing is happening? Does it take any effort for breathing to happen? Does it take any effort to notice breathing? Wherever you are, if you are sat down, did it take any effort to realize sitting down is here or happening or just appearing? How about if we pop a thought into our awareness? So the thought, if we just pick a thought, or if you can't do that, could you notice the silence? And could you notice that to notice silence doesn't take any effort? It just is. And if you've noticed a thought, did it take any effort to notice the thought or to know the thought? Know that thought is here. The key is to experience that everything rises effortlessly, even strong emotions. How do we know anger? It effortlessly feels angry.